Lab Junction Auto Salinity Temperature Meter Model LJ-671. This instrument is extremely used in testing of water analysis like hydroponics, aquaculture and fish ponds water, and many more applications are there. With this instrument we supplied accessories, 12-volt DC SMPS power adapter, for mains supply, salinity cell stand, this is base, this is top. Conductivity / salinity cell cum salinity sensor. This one, and this one. Salinity cell standard. If conductivity value is 1 millisiemens, then salinity value is 0.75. It means 750 ppm. Because salinity factor is 0.75. Instruction manual with 1 year warranty card and dust cover. Now, how can we calibrate and do analysis for salinity from this meter? This is the front panel. In this side, switch on off control is there. In the back side, this is mains. One is salinity cell sockets and one is temperature probe cum sensor socket. Now this is my salinity standard. I am connecting temperature sensor, the back side, and salinity cell also at the back side. Sockets. Now this is our mode key for main display. This is our main display. Now my temperature is 30 degree. This is the mode and standby key for main display. This is menu key. In this, these are the parameters. If you want to select parameter, press enter. Again enter. If you want to select parameter, press enter. Now salinity parameter is selected. Now for one step back, press escape key. And if you want to store the display result, directly press store key. These are the up and down keys. Now, how to calibrate this salinity temperature meter? For calibration, press cal key. First, it shows temperature. If you want to calibrate temperature, press enter. Press up key. This is high, this is low. High, low. Suppose on the low, I am calibrating this to 25. Press enter. Now 25 degrees calibrated. You can select either low or high as you have desired. Now again I am pressing escape key because I am going to calibration. This is calibration temperature. Now I am bypassing this. This is salinity. If you want to calibrate salinity, press enter on this. If you want to, suppose press, you have enter. Now in this option, if you want to calibrate by cell constant method, in this option, if you by measure method, if you want to calibrate by non-salinity standard. Now up, this is reference temperature. Again up, this is temperature coefficient. K factor. This is uncal. If you want to uncal this instrument, then on this option you have to press enter. Instrument is reset. You do this option when you faces some troubles in your results. Now how to calibrate this? Now I am dipping my salinity saline standard solution of 750 ppm like this. Now this is our main menu. This is analysis. This is main menu. Now press cal key. Bypass the temperature if your temperature is correct. Now on this option, calibration sal, it means calibration of salinity, press enter. If you want to do by sal constant, then you have to feed the value of your salinity sal constant value. Suppose it is 1.000. Now I am up key. I am calibrating this by measure method. Now you have to press enter. Now value is 643 ppm and my non-salinity standard solution value is 750 ppm. Then you have to feed your non-value like this. $750 ppm क्योंकि on my standard solution bottle it is salinity factor value is 0.75 and conductivity solution value is 1 millisiemens. In this already shown salinity factor 0.75. Now on this position you have to press enter. Now my salinity meter is calibrated. Now check for analysis. This. Now my salinity meter is calibrated. This is main display and this is analysis display. In this way, you have calibrate this auto salinity temperature meter model LJ-671. Now, this is main display. This is analysis display. Now, for testing of samples, you have to refresh with distilled water and swipe off with tissue paper and dip in your sample. Directly, it shows the sample or sample result on the display. Again, you have to refresh the salinity cell and dip another sample and note down your result. This instrument also has memory like this. In this is date and time if you want to change. If you want to change date and time, directly press enter and feed correct date and time from up and down key. This is memory. This is memory result. Suppose anything you have on display, then press store key, it automatically stored in instrument memory. When you see your result on the display, if you want to save in memory, directly press store key, it automatically stored in instrument memory. This auto salinity meter range is 0 to 100 ppt, resolution 0.1 ppt, accuracy plus minus 0.5%, temperature coefficient automatic, salinity factor 0.75 and adjustable manually. Temperature range is minus 200 to plus 200 degrees centigrade. Temperature range 0.1 degree. Resolution plus minus 0.2%. Input type PT100 calibration manual. In this way, you have to calibrate this auto salinity temperature meter and test your results. Thanks.